Okay, let me see if I can try to explain this problem a little bit more. So I'm not going to retype it because it's already written up here. But what you notice is there's a radical that goes all the way over the denominator right here. And that's a problem because we consider that not simplified. So when it was a square root, we just multiplied the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 3a. Really, we're multiplying by the number 1. But then all that would do would make this 9a squared. See, and 9a squared taken to the fourth root, well, there's still a radical because you don't know the fourth root of 9 and you don't want to do, well, it doesn't come out perfect, the fourth root of a squared. So now look down here. This is the key to this problem, is this area. So you've got the fourth root, and you put the fourth root on both the numerator and the denominator. And then right here, this area, this is the number 1. And that's important because it's the same thing we did if it had been a square root. We multiplied by the number 1. But now, this time, you can't just mimic whatever is in the denominator. Instead, you actually have to understand what's going on. So what's going on here is that you have a 3 to the 1 and an a to the 1. So by multiplying by 3 to the 3 and a to the 3, each of those will now be a power of 4. See right here, it's 3 to the 4 and a to the 4. And then you can then take the fourth root, a fourth power and a fourth root, cancel each other out, and that's where this 3a shows up. Now on the top, you can rearrange this. So they did one great big radical bar, so 2b to the 10th times 3 to the 3a cubed, and you can rearrange these because multiplication is commutative, and you've got 2 times 3 cubed, which is 54, and then times a cubed b squared. They just put those in alphabetical order. In fact, none of that really even simplified. In fact, I should back up. I was thinking, where'd the b squared come from? The b to the 10th simplified a little bit because that power is higher than this index. So, we did this previously. You could separate this into b to the 8th times b to the 2. And then the fourth root of b to the 8th is where they got this. And then the leftover b to the 2 got stuck on the inside. So hopefully that helped.